Sandra Sanchez has been a teacher since 1994. She currently teaches a bilingual class of fourth graders.
I have a lot of students who range anywhere from very fluent speakers to those who are just beginning speakers.
Wow. But that isn't Ms. Sanchez's only educational challenge. At the start of the pandemic, Ms. Sanchez had to teach her class online for more than a year.
It was very much we were scrambling around trying to find out how we were going to reach all of these kids. The kids were not engaged in it. I already hear the question coming, how are we going to do that? How's that going to work?
Now the students have returned to in-person classes, but she says the kids have suffered a huge loss of science skills.
Especially now after COVID, a lot of students have really large learning gaps in math and science. It's really difficult. I have to be honest that I'm doing as much as I can. I'm very stretched for time and reaching all the different levels.
With the challenges of a year-long learning gap and not enough time to come up with new, creative ideas, Sandra has asked us for help.
How can I best help you? If you had the resources of our team, what could I do to help you and your kids?
I have to teach them to wonder, think outside of the box, bring the experiences with you, teach them something that's going to wow them and they're going to remember forever. I would love to just learn from you anything that you have.
Hey, Higgs. I get our DIY Sci team together to work on the challenges facing Sandra Sanchez.
I think teachers are really just looking for that spark again in what they're teaching.
Right. So we got to come up with 4 or 5 experiences that are just killer fun.
Okay. Yeah.
And she knows how to do this.
Mm-hmm.
She just needs somebody to kind of remind her every once in a while that it's not as hard as it looks. We need more coffee, you guys.
Yeah, or less, one or the other.
I know.
Yeah.
We worked late into the night to come up with some exciting experiments Ms. Sanchez can do with her class.
Now it's time to take these ideas to Ms. Sanchez and her amazing 4th graders at Barnum Elementary.